Kene katayo balala, kadai katayo ke bahasa telak ke perthai kinyo kerpang yaka kum katayo le buram yakinas. Bun nangi le sengi tip yaka kadan jongkinas haki Jaka Sumar. Kidai kiwe ne kinong yakun ba khamat persya ke jingpang ba bunjan bat khamtam yaka klam ke bawan len shop menta ke COVID-19. Hendrai haduk kat no kakam kaba kitrei kalong Synniang Radbah ikinong pang ngila jupai mo ban perkhat syapang kani ke benta. Kani ke kubor mentah ke janmit kadai ke kubor ke bangin peni kampanya syapang kakam jongki.
Ya kekerdan tray jongki nas laseng nengkong na ke Florence Nightingale haga por ke thma ke balatip kum ke Crimean War ban Sumar ke sipai ke bemensa wa ke thma. Mara ke senam syajar praspaan rupau ke lepliru ke nursing school haga St. Thomas Hospital ha London. Kum bakalong mentah kinas kidan ke benta ke bakrau ban Sumar ke nongpang haga Jaka Sumar. Kam tami kitu ki badan haga jing Shitom jur. Kinas kidai ki bahap bandan ki Jaka Sumar nongpang arpusau genta. Bat ke portray jongki haga sisngi kam dunai ke prakenta.
Kamera mi jong kinas kalong ban ai ya kajing syakri ya pai lang ya pai ba ubadan kam ya kata kajing Sumar kadai nadu ke mensimi ka bagi ong dedicated to the service mar ka nursing kam dei ka kam ka bantu ong just to be a nurse ni bantu ong ngachut ngalade ke nurse handrei ka nursing profession hi kadai ka ba kadan kajing kli kabak kia hadu kata-kata kadai bandan kata kejing kli bakumno nong pang jonga unwan sang ha po hospital unyo kata kejing Sumar naga khti jonga ba ondaw layo kata kejing Sumar unlek phai no sieng undong ubakwai pakhia
Kumba kalong mentah kani kapor jong ka klam COVID-19 kabenta jigi nos ka kham khia hagba na kidaw bam lakyar kum ka civil hospital Shillong kiha ban chakri hadu khatar kenta marwei haka babon naki gido no ekapor bat laki long yeng long sem hendrai haki kamper namar kila jiat bat kidon kamon ban trai kene ka kam kum bala benta dau trai nong bu nong thau
in general hangni civil hospital ngidon ka covid unit ngidon ka general ti kajing yatrai kam kalong kunju ya bara namar bale ni ai Sumar ni ai jing ker jing dan ka banta unong pangi te hangi kam don ni kata kajing perman ong bode covid dan ne bode covid kalong in general kalong kunju ni ka duty jong kinasis kita kalong ibu ya kita hadu live shift Andai nak bentang ni lockdown ni lah benda kata kat 3 shift dan dekat live shift ni lihat nak tang shift kita kalong away ke jing tray jong ki kalong nandu dunia je mesti adu dunia je meta mat away pada ke jing tray jong ki dak baik pergi grup kinuan dunia je meta jamit adu dunia je rasa mesti di mentang ni lah pen bed ya kita ke duty roster ni kata ke plan ni dunia penyilabu ni haban let tang shift
Hagi por ki baman shua haga kam nas hi ki don tangki genthai. Hendrai namar ke jengdawa jeng por mentala abon ru ki nas ke bedi kishen rang. Kabala kam ya rap aka kya ka shan ya ki nas genthai namar ban Sumar girang ba abriu ka kam suk hi de kishen rang. Ka kam jegi nas hangni pila ban yu ki haban penti kena ban ayu dawai ya u ne kenong pang haga por ke babiang. Ban thawe ka blood pressure ban ai ki inject bat kum ta ter Hang ni laban ong baka kam hitie ka kam khia yaki namar khia bandan bet bek nong pang baro arpusau kenta
feel like kinas ngidon duty 24 hours ngidon bet bek kinong pang though we come in shifts, but we don't make nokpang. Ki doctors ki one ki like rounds, then they order the nurses bangin le. So mainly ngidi ki nurses hi ki ba really take care of the patients in the wards. Kata ka di ka role ki nurse mata like 24 hours ngi hab shop bai ki nokpang ha ka tu ka kamra ba ki don ki doctors te to ki la le hang ni hang tai ki la ye rong shin sha tai ngi ba ngi hab ban don bai ki nokpang. Nursing ki bon hi ki females ti ka don ka por ka bateng teng ki balik maternity leave haduk lai ho sau homot ro ki don ti we do have a problem ta ka jingwan jong ki male nurses kal ayarap yang isi bon khamtam hagini ki ward lai bagi don kam ban bu kum ki ICU kum ko neurology bagi nongpang ki bon ki balong bedridden ai ban yarap yang ban ra ban rong ki nongpang they have been of very much help kai tinggi elek menempuh seki pada haki ward ki babon ki no kum ki gynae ops tinggi elek menempuh hagi ni ki badan kamban lek badan radiation badan ai ru gi elek menempuh ki no bien no sesangta
Hakum kini kepor bajor gejing sapriang uknyang jingpang COVID-19 kumbalong lem ki wede kinong trei haki Jaka Sumar kino seru haba ki hab bandon haki Jaka bapentia ya ginong pang COVID-19 ki hab banjengai na laki bahayang bahasem ki kon ki kiti ki kme ki kpa bat na ki kurem namar ki haban shong shwa marway da bonsngi da shisha kat no kejing IT jongki na kabanta ki nongpang klem de tiang ya ka kot ka khya la jong da ka basania how try nong bo dong thau
a lot of challenges namar ba hitip hi ba really all young nurses ko ban ong do ti ngi haban I ban you know ki khon ki ti hayeng ki dang yaret ban one duty hang ni namar ba it's odd hours duty ngim la ban pen jrong palat ka duty jong ki staff room ye le ban I 6 hours with that in the middle of the night we have to change ka duty jong ki all ti na ta ka daw ki haban I na yeng na sam ban wan sa po hospital so all these challenges and then you know like being a mother don't ki khon being a wife being block ting mio khana trei mio katar a big problem manu ban pet yaki pade hayeng so kumta so some thing you don't give family members ki ba take care ngi don pade ki ba wana bar ki ba pli ki don tambaki ki la banum don ki ba hayeng ba sem ro take care we have to depend on yaki ki kong ki ba yarap ki hayeng
hadian balasaki yu Synniang jongkinos kinong shok shnong glade shisha ban ai buram kerpang yaki namar ka kam ka bagi syakri kamlong ka basuk na ka jingwan kan ka khlam mentala arsenam kanthi kinos kila do no ru ya ka jingya shim banta jongki ha ki program bapher ha ka tayo ko ba kerpang jongki ya ka blatep kom ga nurses week henrei tangki ka to kani hospital ki bla rakhe kani kasngi da ki jingya lang ki barit bah ha kasngi ka ba khat do kata ha ka khat artarik mentau banai jemang ar hajar apuwei kabalong kasngi kha jogo nong seng ya ka kamnos ka Florence Nightingale
kadon hi ka jing susi bangi biak man celebrate khamtam ha ka last year bele ba ka day ba dak 200 years ka Florence Nightingale ti hajing shisha borok ko ka pertheng la I prepare bangin ya celebrate in a very big way handai ka wan no ani covid ngi kham yo asho ka chance man celebrate ti menta last year but this year also because of all these SOPs bangi happen follow so you know ngi ya gather tang ba shipho good ai kom tu bangin shia at least tang lamp lighting ceremony ting issue arrange refreshment ngi shuli ai ki staff ti all those activities bangi shake down ki competition you ngim kham yo asho ban le kita ki competition
te mentau snem galong ka ba ba pher hadu kata-kata mane perkhat it kisnem kisngi kipala lejno ba ngamla ban celebrate lane ka hospital hibra ko iklam dan banta ban ngimla ban don ki meeting ban plan lane ban mudur ya kane ka nosis de ndai man snem pade ni don kata ka plan lane ka meeting ban ye syong mane perkhat kam nak banta kumno ban celebrate ya ka nosis de.
I stand here today on behalf of my colleagues, the nurses, to once again pay homage to the founder of modern nursing, that is Florence Nightingale, who led from the front during the Crimean War in Istanbul, in Turkey, taking care of the wounded soldiers. Indeed, proved herself to be a frontline warrior, and she rose to the occasion when the situation demanded it. Today, the world is reeling in agony and suffering after the outbreak of COVID-19, which has wiped out 1 million of precious lives across the world. This invisible but formidable enemy of man has indeed transformed the landscape of medical care in the world. It is heartening to see that from being a silent worker among the diverse health providers, nurses hold a prominent place as frontline workers in the field of health care and health management. It is of little wonder, therefore, the theme of Nurses Week 2021 is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, a voice for future healthcare, a vision for future healthcare. The theme lays emphasis on the role of nurses who, with their sense of purpose and commitment, offer gentle touch, warmth and compassion to those in pain. Nurses have been called beyond the call of duty to respond positively to the undeniable call for help in trying to preserve man and humanity at large. So on this occasion, I shim the opportunity to pay my gratitude and respects to all the nurses of Nigrims, to the nurses all over the country and to the nurses all over the world. May we continue to fulfill our calling and live in hope that as long as we have each other, life will definitely go on.